Hey guys, got a little project I've been working on. I wanted to share with everybody. These are just a fairly simple V-head clamp. These are great little tools if you're fitting up by yourself. Let's say you got an offset or something, you're trying to get clamped and get the 90s to stay, or a 45. Maybe it's got a T in it with a flange on it. Maybe you don't have an extra set of stands. Anyway, these are a great little tool to have in your rig truck or in your gang box. Just use simple 8-inch schedule 40 pipe. I used all thread on this, but you could use studs. They're just 5/8 studs, 5/8 nuts. Get them from a bolt pack, or if you're changing out gaskets or you've got a pile laying around, just use 5-inch studs. The 5-inch studs, they'll go down to that's 1.25 inch pipe. Anything above 4-inch doesn't seem to have a problem rolling in the stands too much. But very simple to make. Let's get started. After I laid out my 8-inch pipe, just in quarters, I wanted to weld my nuts on first before I cut it. It's just easier to do them all right there at the same time. Layout for these keepers, just took an old piece of plate and a Sumner head, traced the outline of it, and then ran a reference line all the way across. That's what I line up my top piece with. You want to make sure you're on the bottom corner of the head. So when you line up this keeper, line it up in the top corner there. And then line it up to match your angle down the bottom. Tack it top and bottom. And then I was welding this outside corner joint first, and then weld the inside joint. That way if it draws any, it pulls it away, so you're not too tight.